Under. Where you that? You like your bike? See, I told you I'm gonna buy you a bike. I told you, bro. Tripping, bro. You tripping.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Alright, let's get it. This is 3 Oaks, y'all. Let's go to Ocat Marina. Ocat Marina, sir. Hey, that's Ocat Marina, bro. What's up, YouTube? What's up? Welcome to the chat. We're gonna go right now. Hey, Louis, remember, I need to talk to you, bro. I want to hear your voice, Louis. Louis. Are you chat fan? Louis. Oh, somebody's shooting at you, sir.
Inside.
Oh shit, he's still there. Oh.
I'm good.
Right there, you see him? I'm going for him. Got it, stupid ass. Stupid fuck! Yeah. Lodi, please. Money on the buy. Control fighting. Coming down. Hey! One attack. Mamalangan. Top. Oh, that motherfucker. Damn, Run It Back is in the lobby. We wait for him. He's gonna wait for us. Vaquero. Pressing, please. What? Whoa! A kiss. Alpha. Oh, beautiful. Whoa, so beautiful. Everybody take shower. Wow. Hey, don't bring it to the house. That bicycle dirty. We use it outside already.
We've established the SAM.
Alright, let's go for a loadie, please. Please. Because I need that shit. Because I've been stretching out so much. I need a loadout. I need a loadout. Loadout. Please. I need a loadout. Telo, togliamo Aniloan, me la c'è loadout, eh. Oh, you guys killed him, bro. That's sad. Man. On it.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Hey, what the fuck? Are you serious? That's a couple shot, bro. I gotta get there.
Squad mates are in the safe zone. We've got gas moving in.
Oh, that motherfucker, where is he? Right here. He's here with us. Bottom, bottom. Another one, down, down. One down, one down, one down, another one. He's on top or something.
There's a nigga right up one of y'all.
Just get the fuck down. Laf yaktığımı çok güzel. Hey, load out. I got you a loadout if you need it. It's right there. Damn, we just bought two? It's crazy.
Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
I'm switching weapons. Gun is good, but very trash.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Hey son, why you bring my phone? There you go. Team wipesy.
There's the one wrong for me.
There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Damn, wala ni kill. Uy. Le forms nga po. Oh! It's all you, Louis. Oh! Behind you, Louis, behind you! Alright, there! Shit. Tanga palungan with it sila. Alright, let's run it back. Let us invite run it back again. What? What happened? Hey! Oh, don't you cry no more. Wait, I'm inviting Run It Back. Oh, he's on a party now. What, Yumina? You're not hurt. Alright, there it is. We'll be searching for. What's up, Denji?
What's up, fucker?
Whoa, 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 kamikaze. Better chill out now. Hey, do you listen to my music? Love is all we need, bro. What? Yep. Cupcake place after the cupcake. Here, Yumina. Oh, tell her. Where are you anyway? Smile. Yumina, no, Yumina. Sister's birthday. Woo! Alright, guys. This is Lieutenant Can talking. You gotta go smooth in this one. I'm gonna start this song. Oh no, fuck it. Louis, wake up, Louis.
Secure the supply boxes. Location is marked on your stack. Reinforcements inbound.
There's too many motherfuckers. Damn. Yo, this area is full of people. Come on, Louis. Get your kills. There's a lot of targets in the area, I promise you. Toca, Makasi, I'm with you.
They starting to shout.
Yeah, the thing. Oh, right here, man. I just... Nice.
You're redeploying.
Oh fuck, we're really full of people over here. Sit down.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. You have reinforcements inbound. Contract failed. Objective lost. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
That's the way it be.
Daddy, look at Aesop. I make Aesop here. Look, look.
Cái gì mà một.
Alright, anh đây yêu phù.
Ngầm nó kiếm lấy cuồng nè.
Mà tên thì gà cực.
Đa kiếm cuồng.
Totoo tayo. Taka din bitul. Alright, my phone.
Catholic dengan Louis ke.
Afghan. Louis is Afghan. He can understand some of the shit that we're saying. Louis, say something, bro. You silent mode guy.
Catholic ke. Code ke.
No. Louis from the other island, I think. You know it's dark, Louis. You better say something, bro. I'm gonna let Louis describe himself.
Galar ko barangal ka ng sector.
Deploying
Ay, gano'n. Watch out! Ay, gano'n. Takita ba ba? Wearing just sniper. That's He's not a hard school.
Here. Here, Daddy. Daddy.
Hey, please wait. You saw that I did something and you keep calling me. Hey, come down. You move. You guys move out of there.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
What we got next? Hello?
Okay.
Come on, stop that camera.
Come
Are
down.
you?
See?
Artie.
Survive to redeploy fallen teammates.
Okay, give me everything.
To bring them back fast.
I deal with
Set a drop point for your squad side.
Okay, give me everything. Okay, get in your bike.
Ilme?
Hey, bunker, 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 bunker. Louis, bunker. Bunker, bunker, bunker. There's people.
Reinforcements inbound.
Yes, the wind here.
I have a spot there. Oh, the bullet. Oh, I'm careful. Down.
Daddy needs to go quick.
Did you toxic man.
Get it, man.
Teams will go back at left side. Yes, the phone kill. About kill with fuck.
Squad's in the safe zone. Squad mates redeployed. Well done. The squad mates back on station. Good work.
This mother. They're moved already. They're on the other side. They're right here.
Go get your revenge. You've got a loadout. Inbound. Enemy UAV is online.
Sen meydan anı dinle.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy soldier incoming. You have reinforcements. Good job. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get done. Your squad mate is redeployed.
Ghế hoạt đan chi vậy? Cái nào rồi nhật vậy?
Another chance. Weapons free.
My gun is going on.
Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate secured intel on the next gas spread. Decrypt it at the uplink station marked on your tac map while there's still time. Enemy UAV is online. You have reinforcements in there. Enemy UAV overhead. Ironbound is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Respect the DJ Quick. Big up to the ganja massive again. Oh, yeah.
Why you lay down like a bitch? Fuck you.
He got the sense of sweet as a minion. Smoking bomber. Smoking bomber. Sometimes I some every day. Make sure the lines are clean and not decay. They're hungry, eating night, morning and day. They like they said money can't grow on trees. Hey, evil cookie. She got the keys on. Tell me go to X-Bar. Cool shot at best strong. It makes me say, we're growing high grade. We're growing high grade. my pain. Ain't no other medication, so every different kind I need, yeah. Free up the hurt, come, just sing with me. Hey, you got the ganja, she got the endo, he got the sensor, sweet as a nigga.
Wait, wait.
Enemy UAV over.
Damn.
25 remain. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Hey, it's a new map again. Stop, come you Steve, don't worry about it. Go. Quiet, Sonico. Quiet. Quiet, quiet.
All stations, we are green to go.
No parking.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your squad and go get after it.
Yan, ayun, ayun.
inbound.
Here, look here up. No, sorry, never mind.
Weapons free.
Hey, what you bombing?
Enemy
Hey, why can I mouth like that?
Yeah, what down? Yeah, gas here. What the fuck?
reinforcements inbound.
No, I'm getting Rupert Island.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
The portrait you put the market.
Don't know if they're on here, man. Get outside. Purpose the queue, slow mo.
Squad mates back on station. Good
Get
work.
down, you mina.
Get ready. They're redeploying. Squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is inbound. Squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Yo. Start up there. It's fight again, I break that fight, so never fight. Oh, put your nothing. Over there. Yeah. Get down! Down!
You're redeploying. Squad mates redeploying. Well done. Go get off.
killing puddle. The fucking place, nigga, like.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Contract time is short. Secure quickly. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Fire sale active. Fire station prices have been reduced. Done something.
A mí me sale, bro. Pero te digo que ya estoy cansado.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. You're back on station. You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile UAV in the area. Contract time's limited. Activate hacks. Enemy sentry in the AO. Your squad's in the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead. Time's up on the hack contract. It's a goner. Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Negative effect. Missile strike failed to hit designated. No more seconds. 25 remaining. We lost that one. We'll get a W next time.
Hi. Hungry bird. Feeling good, feeling alright. Wait, move, Sina. Move. Come here, this is Shula. Kenji. Ah, okay, Shula. Wait, Louis got kicked out. Yes, what the fuck happened? Oh, I shouldn't have played. Yes, Shula, come across you. Oh, yeah, good to know.